Hello, we're gonna start for creating corridor surface. So we're gonna start opening the corridor 5A. So we're gonna click corridor tab and we're gonna click corridor surfaces. So in the corridor surfaces dialog box, we're gonna create a corridor surface to create an entry on the surface table. So we're gonna change the surface name to corridor 1 top. Click the surface style cell to corridor 1 top surface. In the pick up corridor surface dialog box, we're gonna select borders and contours and we're gonna click OK. So the next step is click the render material cell for the corridor 1 top surface. We're gonna pick render material dialog box, select sideboard paving, surface, asphalt, and we're gonna click OK. Select the corridor 1 top surface by clicking the icon next to his name. So change the overlay correction settings to top links. So for this specific code, we're gonna click add to surface item, and we're gonna create that in corridor surface. We're gonna repeat previous procedure to create a data surface. Okay, cycle 90. So we just change the prospectors, the properties as a name, surface style, render material, overhang correction, and link code. So we're gonna create another one. Render material set for paving surface asphalt, overcorrection top links, and link code. We're gonna select pipe, create a median corridor, surface, name corridor 1 median, surface style, border and contours, render material set for planning gravel mixed, and we're gonna link code, we're gonna select gravel. So after that, we're gonna click OK to create the surface and close the corridor surface dialog box. So into the space, so perspective tab, we're gonna expand the surface collection. So when we select the corridor surface, only the surface is selected, the corridor is based on is not selected. Alright, so now we're gonna, after this exercise, we're gonna open corridor 5B, which is available in our tutorials folders. So in the drawing, we're gonna select the corridor. So click the corridor tab, corridor modify panel, and we're gonna select corridor surface. So in the corridor surface dialog box, we're gonna click boundaries tab. For corridor surface, they are displayed when we open the properties in the boundaries table. So we're gonna select the corridor 1, which is the top surface, and then we're gonna right click and we're gonna click add automatically, and then we select daily. Yeah, corridor datum surface, we're gonna right click daily. For both boundaries, we're gonna make sure that your step is set to outside boundary. Yeah. Here we're gonna click OK. So the new boundaries are added to the corridor 1, top corridor 1, datum surface. Okay, we're gonna click View tab. So we're gonna go to View panels, name view list, and then we're gonna select corridor begin. So the drawing is redrawing to a zone in view of the starting area of corridor 1. So we're gonna select the corridor and we're gonna select corridor surface. In the corridor surface dialog box boundary tab, we're gonna select the corridor 1 page surface. We're gonna right click and we're gonna click add interactively. So in the drawing, we're gonna select the feature line along with the left side edge of the page shoulder within circle straight. Okay. So yeah, we select the corridor surface. Okay, select page. Yep, surface. Alright. So as I said before, okay, put in the circle tray. So since there are multiple feature lines for the location, select a feature line dialog box is displaying, select APS and we're gonna click OK. Pan to the corridor, notice that the red line appears along the first feature line you selected. Okay. So we're gonna start for circle 3 until circle 4. So we need to point at the beginning of the corridor and select the feature line along right inside of the edge pipe should it be the circle 4, which is in the end of the corridor. Just need to select the in the middle. So that's why we need to activate the node. Okay. To close the boundary, as soon as we finish, we need to enter C to close it. Okay, we go to T3. Yeah, we need to select APS. So we're gonna turn to the other corridor, just straight until the end. So at that time I didn't know, but basically what we need to do is create a corridor continuously from point 3 to the end to the other corridor, which will be number 7, which is the one along with the corridor. So we just need to find to the end of the corridor and following the steps. Yep. And then we select 10 and we select APS and then we click OK. So now we're gonna pan to the beginning of the corridor and select the feature line along right inside edge of the pallet shoulder within the circle 4. So we go down to the beginning of the corridor, which is down there. Okay, and then we're gonna enter on the command line, we're gonna enter C to close the boundary. So in the corridor surface dialog box, we're gonna span the corridor 1 page surface collection item to see the boundary item. What we're seeing right now. We're gonna change the corridor boundary name to pave outside and set the use type to offside boundary. So in the dialog box on the boundary tab, we're gonna select the corridor 1 page surface, right click, and add interactivity. So repeat the previous exercise, the previous task that we did, with the following steps. So we're gonna start for click circle 1 and select APS to define the left of side of the edge paved shoulder, and then we click 8, circle 8, and then select APS to define the left of side edge of paved shoulder. And then we click in circle 2, and after that we enter in the command line, we enter C to close the boundary, as we did before. So for this, we need to change the name of the, as soon as we close the boundary, we need to change the name of the boundary, which is to pave inside, and change the use type to hide boundary. We need to do it from 8 APS to 2. Okay, now we close with C. Okay, remember change the name of the boundary and change the use type. So after we finish this step, we're gonna create a median of side boundary interactively. So in the corridor surface dialog box on the boundary tab, we're gonna select corridor 1 median surface, and we're gonna right click and click add interactivity. So we're gonna do the same thing that we did before, but with different values. Okay, we're gonna click the circle 1 and select APS to define the left of side, and then we're gonna click circle 8 and select the APS to define the left of side. And then we're gonna click circle 2. After this, we're gonna, in the command line, we're gonna click, we're gonna enter C as we did before to close the boundary. And for property, we need to change the name of the boundary to median, change the use type to offside boundary. And then after that, we're gonna click OK to create a boundaries and close the corner property dialog box. Now we're gonna use the corridor 5C for the next exercise, which is on tutorial photo. We need to click here the corridor. So for the corridor C drawing, which is on tutorial photo, we're gonna click corridor tab, modify corridors panel drop down, and we're gonna click edit code set styles. So on the code set style dialog box, under code set style, make sure the all code is selected. So the materials will be displayed for this link when you render the corridor model. We're gonna, the light code should be sideward planing grass short, dial light field, sideward planing grass short, ditch, sideward planing grass thick, gravel, sideward planing grass mixed, median, sideward planing grass short, paved, sideward paving surface asphalt, slope link, sideward planting grass and short, and then we're gonna click OK. Okay, what we're gonna check is all the render material column in the corridor is basically what I just mentioned. Okay. Now we got here dialect code. You cannot see properly, but if you click in the top one or the below one, you can see what's exactly there. We just check, making sure that everything is in the right place. After this, we're gonna click OK. And the next step is hide and render corridor surfaces. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna click View tab, Views panel, name view list, and we're gonna select Corridor 3D view. So the drawing is drawn in a three-dimensional view of the corridor. So we're going to tool space on Prospector tab. We're gonna expand the surface collection. Right-click the corridor 1 median surface, and we're gonna click Surface Properties. So in the dialog box on the Information tab, we're gonna change the surface style to High Surface, and then we're gonna click OK. So the High Surface style has a lot of components to run, which allows the surface render the material to be effectively ignored. So we're gonna follow the past steps to apply a High Surface style to corridor 1 paved and corridor 1 to top surface. Okay, on the command line, we're gonna enter render. Render is the corridor 3D using to render materials are applied to subassembly links. Perfect. Now after this, we go to click view tab. We're gonna view panels, name this view, and we're gonna select corridor all. So the drawing is redrawing to plan view. So yeah, view tab. Okay, perfect. So in the drawing, select the corridor. We're gonna select the corridor, click corridor tab. We're gonna select edit code style. So in the dialog box under code set style, we're gonna select all codes with hatching. And then we're gonna click edit current location, which is the next on the pencil. In the code set dialog box on the codes tab, After we select the correct location, next one. Yeah, yeah. So on the code stop, we underline in a slope link row, set the material area field to style to strip hatch, and we're gonna click twice. The material area field are applied to 2D corridor model, zoom into the beginning of the corridor to examine the parts. As soon as we finish, we can examine. Yeah, we click OK. Okay. Apply. Okay. So now, yeah. So we're gonna go zoom. We check the price. You see, it's the same of the as per the tutorial. Thank you so much.